Whether you like classical, rock, or pop, it's up to you. With the audio function of your infotainment system, you can listen to your favourite music on the radio or play it from your mobile device. Learn how to search for radio stations and how to add them to your favourites. Play music from your Bluetooth-connected smartphone or from a USB-connected mobile device. Take your music with you, wherever you go. To switch to the currently playing radio station or media, tap on Audio. On the audio screen, you can easily change between available audio sources and browse music. More audio functions, such as the tone settings, are available under Menu. To select another radio station, simply tap on the radio station name and then select a station. You can save the currently playing radio station as a favourite by pressing and holding any favourite button at the bottom of the screen. To listen to music from a media device such as your Bluetooth-connected smartphone or USB-connected mobile device, first change the audio source by tapping on Source. Then select the media source. To browse music, just tap on the song title. Depending on the format of your connected media device, you can browse playlists, artists, albums, and more. Let's listen to a playlist. Select a playlist and choose a song. To return to radio, tap on Source and then select the radio source. Did you know that there is an easy way to return to the audio screen? Just tap on the music icon in the upper right of the screen.